Okay, I want to tell you about Le Temps successful experience in introducing a paywall that was last year. Le Temps is a general Swiss paper. We call it a média de référence, which means a reference quality paper. Especially Le Temps focuses on economy, culture and international matters. And it's very well known and very reputed in in French-speaking Switzerland. What happened is that last year we decided that we would introduce a paywall. What is a paywall? It means that you need to be logged in to read the paper, and ideally you need to pay to read articles. So how does it practically work? In fact, when you try to read an article, you just land on a page which asks you to log in, and you can log in for free, and you get 10 articles for free for 1 month. But you have to fill in a form with many questions on your personality, the kind of revenue you've got, income revenue, and the kind of subjects you're interested in. And this makes a database, which is very, very important for publicity matters, obviously. Okay, so when you, the other possibility you have to read articles, in addition to these 10 free articles you get a month, is that obviously you are a subscriber. I mean, all people who subscribe to the print edition of Le Temps also have a free access to the website and to the iPhone access too. So this person, they can log in and then they stay logged in forever, as long as they pay. But we've got quite people stay with us for a long time generally. And what happened is that, so 40 months later, after the introduction of this paywall, we added, our databases is now more than 120,000 customers reach, which is quite a lot. And it makes people from publicity very interested. And we've got a business revenue, which also very much increased since last year. And the journalists also are very happy with the paywall. Why? Because formerly they used to work for free for the web. That was the impression at least, which was not true, of course, because articles were also printed. So people would pay for this print edition. But now they know that even when they work only for the web, pure web articles, the people also have to pay to read them, and this is very good for their egos. And as you know, that the egos of journalists is quite generally something to deal with. So as a conclusion, I could say that obviously it was difficult. We lost people on the way to our paywall. We got criticized too because it was quite violent. I mean, we have got a very aggressive politics of payment. But as a whole, and even if the process is not completed yet, we can really say that for us, at least in the Swiss context, which is a very, very specific context, it happened to be successful. Yeah.